Are you passionate about fashion and would love to learn how to create lovely designs without breaking your bank account, anywhere you are, easily and conveniently from your phone or tablet? If your answer is yes, get ready to feel the love from Valisimo Fashion School, this February. Valentine is the season for sharing the love of two. So, Valisimo Fashion School is spreading the love this February, with our Valisimo Valentine Double Delight offer. Subscribe to the Valisimo Sewing Tutorial app and double your subscription. Yes, that's right. Pay for 1 month and get 2 months subscription. Pay for 2 months and get 4 months subscription. And so on. Learn how to sew at your convenience by watching the many video tutorials on the Valisimo Sewing Tutorial app. From kaftans to dinner gowns, from palazzo pants to Ankara jackets, and so much more. You can also learn the basic designing blocks, how to take measurements and how to use a sewing machine. How to install the Valisimo app. To install the app, go to Google Play Store and search for Valisimo. Click on the install button. And just like that, you have the app on your phone or tablet. You will need your Facebook account details to log into the app. How to subscribe on the Valisimo app. You can subscribe by paying on the app using online banking, or using your debit or credit card details. You can also subscribe with PayPal. Subscription is 1,100 Naira per month. Just go to the subscription menu option on the app and follow the steps by providing the required information. Remember, you get double your subscription only in this month of February, in the Valisimo Valentine Double Delight offer. So what are you waiting for? Download the app now and start learning to sew with love from Valisimo Fashion School.